Welcome, colleagues and friends, to the ISEE 2021 conference. We are very pleased to host you in New York City this year. Our theme is promoting environmental health and equity in a shifting climate. Shifting climate refers here to both our social structures and global environment and how we must promote equitable environmental health.
While we had hoped that we could all be back together in person this year, we are still extremely excited to join together on the virtual platform. We learned a lot during last year's 2020 virtual ISEE meeting, and we have adjusted this year's conference accordingly.
This year features more e-poster discussions, short flash talks, and Pechakucha sessions that allow members the opportunity to present their research. We also offer more networking sessions and encourage everyone to utilize the chat function on Zoom to keep the discussion flowing during sessions.
We have several very exciting plenary talks planned, including a session sponsored by ISEE's new anti-racism task force featuring Catherine Flowers and Danielle Purifoy. Our other keynote sessions will feature excellent researchers from around the world and cover cutting-edge topics such as COVID, data science, and climate change.
We selected 29 excellent symposia out of the 68 submitted, including Symposium Civic Engagement as a Scientist and How to Maximize Contribution of Epidemiologic Research to Policy, Mixtures Methods, Climate Change and Pollen Exposure Dynamics, Diet as an Opportunity to Ameliorate Diverse Impacts of Environmental Exposures, the Exposome, Environmental Health Inequities in Indigenous Communities, and many, many more.
And with the help of our virtualization subcommittee, we've revamped poster sessions, hoping to make the experience more interactive and engaging. This year, we've engaged our members more in the conference process. We launched a poll that everyone can use to inform us about which sessions you would most like to attend.
We also plan to continue engaging our members throughout the year. Instead of holding workshops one day before the conference, as was traditionally the case for in-person meetings, we will again spread these as webinars throughout the academic year. This way, we will all be connected and interact longer than just the 4 days of the conference.
So, we hope you all enjoy the conference, connect with your colleagues, and remember to use our Twitter hashtag ISEE2021 to tweet about what you learn and your experience. It only makes sense to have Marianthi finish up and introduce our hopes for next year's conference in Greece.
Thank you, Joan. Yes, this has been a tough couple of years for everyone. We have missed seeing you all so much. We were hoping, for a small in-person component this year in my adopted home here in New York City. But this only makes us more excited for an in-person meeting in Athens for ISEE 2022. Until then, we do hope you enjoy this year's conference, learn, get new exciting ideas, interact with each other, and build new collaborations that will only make our ISEE family stronger.
So thank you.
Thank you, and looking forward to see you in August.
Yes.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Well, we had hoped that we could all be able to be back together. Sorry, guys. Apparently, I cannot read when on camera. Sorry.
Are we going to have one real also bloopers?
Yeah.
Time.